summer, we are going to be offering a 6-week Kickin Nutrition TV program. It is a 6-week nutrition program where we're going to be using a virtual Zoom workshop. We're going to be using the Kickin Nutrition TV, which is a digital program. So it's about maybe a 45-minute program. Your kids can register for this workshop through our extension office, and that each week we're going to have a 45 to hour-long program where we're going to talk about nutrition. We're going to talk about physical activity. We'll have some music videos from some of the teens that have helped create this program. Some of them are going to be doing cooking demonstrations for the kids. They're also going to be demonstrating physical activity movement, and they've got music videos, dancing, all kinds of fun. The Kickin Nutrition program is for kids from the 4th grade to the 8th grade. So if you are in that age range and you are interested in a 6-week nutrition program that we're going to host virtually, you can contact the extension office at 336-599-1195, or you can go on the Person or Granville Extension website and look for the Kickin Nutrition link, and it will take you to the page where you can register and fill out the information for our 6-week program. Look forward to seeing you with us this summer.